In today's video, I will teach you how to create star trails using Photopea. Let's get started. First, launch Photopea and open your image by going to File, then Open. Now select the image layer in the Layers panel. Then press Ctrl-J twice to duplicate the layer, creating 3 layers in total. Now rename the top layer as Foreground and the middle layer as Stars. Now select the foreground layer. Then use your preferred selection tools like Rectangular Marquee tool, Magic Wand tool, or Lasso tool to select the sky area. Once selected, press the Delete key to remove the sky from the foreground layer. Then press Shift-Ctrl-I to invert the selection. Now select the Stars layer and press the Delete key to remove the foreground from this layer. Now right-click the Stars layer in the Layers panel. Then choose Convert to Smart Object. This allows non-destructive editing. With the Stars layer selected, go to Filter, Blur Gallery, then Spin Blur. Now adjust the blur using the control points. Drag the middle control point to align it with the center of the sky. And you can resize the blur circle by dragging the outer control point so that it covers the entire sky. Now adjust the blur intensity by dragging the control point near the center. Then fine-tune the blur angle in the settings at the top menu bar. And once you're satisfied, click the check icon in the top menu to apply the effect. An optional step is to sharpen the sky. To enhance the star's clarity, select the Stars layer. Then go to Filter, Sharpen, then Unsharp Matte. Then adjust the settings to achieve your desired level of sharpness. And now you can save your edited image by going to File, then Export As, and choosing your preferred file format like JPEG or PNG. And you're done! If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.